In today's video, I'm going to talk about something a lot of e-commerce stores get wrong, and that is phone numbers on the checkout and requiring, even worse, requiring phone numbers on the checkout. Let me say this only once, or perhaps twice. Nobody likes unsolicited phone calls from salespeople. That's what people think as soon as they see a phone number on a checkout. So I've added my product to the cart. I've shown intent to buy. I've gone to the checkout. I start filling in my details. So I put in my name, my address, and then I scroll down and you're asking for my phone number. Let me put myself in the place of the site owner. I'm asking for your phone number because I'd like to contact you if there's any issues with your order, and I also want to pass it over to Bob. Now, Bob's our best salesperson. He's going to get you on the phone. He's going to ring a sale out of you. He's going to really talk you through it. He's going to be unpleasant. He's going to make that sale. Bob's great. He's increased our bottom line by 12%. Go, Bob. All right. Nobody wants unsolicited calls from salespeople. If you do like it, leave a comment. I'll make sure to unfollow you and block your email. Nobody likes those sales calls. So why, by default, are a lot of e-commerce people leaving phones required? So what I suggest is, one, get rid of the phone number if you don't intend to get in touch with people via phone. Two, make it not required. And then three, tell exactly why you need the phone number and what use it is to your customer. I've seen cart abandonments increase when people require the the phone number. I did a split test with one customer who needed it. Again, he wanted to build a sales list so people could phone. And I said, I bet people are abandoning carts based upon that. So we did a split test, one with the phone required, one without it. People weren't leaving the number, which was a bit frustrating to my client, but cart abandonment went down by 7%. Think about it. Once the person's got the checkout, they've shown great intent to buy from you. Why are you going to lose them over a phone number? You could request a phone number, invite them to a sales call later on. Don't jeopardize your sale by requiring that phone number. So what I'm going to do now is jump over to the back end of my site. I'm going to show you a plugin where we can change the options of the phone number. Let me jump over now. So we're on the back end of my site. We're going to add a new plugin. The one I like is this one by ThemeHigh. Check out Field Editor. I'll include a link in the blog post that accompanies this video. Get that installed. Now if you go to WooCommerce, you've got this checkout form option. And there's our billing phone number. Let's edit that. It's currently set to required and enabled. First up, let's get rid of it altogether. It's as simple as some checkboxes. Now if we go back to our checkout form, the phone number is gone. I'm happy. I don't want people to phone me. So let's re-enable the phone number and edit it again. We've removed the required checkbox and just enabled it. So now if we look at the form, it's optional. Something I've done when it's required is I've just put in, I've thought through my phone number, 079 4 just put all ones. I bet if you check the phone numbers that you've been collecting, and if you've got a required field, a lot of those phone numbers are junk anyway because people just don't want to be phoned. So anyway, that's made the phone optional. And lastly, if you do want to collect phone numbers, and this for a legitimate reason, I'm thinking you are integrating with your delivery provider and they can send SMS alerts then yeah, that's valid. That's useful to your customer. Tell your customer what you're going to do with their number. And so what we could do is we could change the label to mobile phone and then add a placeholder. We'll send SMS updates about delivery, for example. Save that. And then we're asking for the mobile number. It's optional. We'll send SMS updates about delivery. So that tells the customer exactly what you're going to do with the phone number, why you're asking for it. Don't give the number to Bob. Don't give it to your best sales guy who's going to hassle people on the phone. I'll say it again. I said I would only say it once, but I've said it 3 times now. Nobody likes unsolicited sales calls. Stop doing it. Yeah, be careful with mobile phone number requests on your checkout form. It does cause cart abandonment.